Hello. Welcome to the video. Thank you for tuning in. This is the male android, your narrator for today.
And this is the female android, the assistant.
So, without further ado, this is the 5 types of people on airplanes. Starting now. This is really self-explanatory. But the person who is always on a rush is a person who is in a hurry, possibly making sure no one gets in their way.
Come on, let's go, 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 oh. I got somewhere to be.
Hello. Welcome to the...
Shush. Don't distract me, I have to go somewhere.
Come back.
I'm sorry. Excuse me, pardon me, I'm in a rush.
Sir. Stop this now.
No, I need to go. Move it or lose it, lady.
Wow. Where are your manners?
Somebody, get that man.
Yes. I made it. Take that, everybody. Wait a second. Where am I going right now?
You are going to Ohio.
No. Oh.
He's fine. Moving on. The scared one is a person who is always nervous and worried about going on a plane.
I want to leave this plane. Mom, come back right now. I'm scared.
This is what I have to deal with every day.
I don't want to be here. Someone please, let me out of here.
Whose child is this? We haven't even taken off yet. GRRRRRR.
Next. The beginner is a person who gets on a plane for the very first time.
Wait. Where do I go? Hello? Can somebody please tell me where I need to go?
You're in the right place. Just talk to that guy, he'll help you.
Well, thank you, sir.
So just go on through the metal detector, and you're free to go.
What is that?
Sir. When I said, make sure there are no items on you, that means your phone too.
Oops.
Sometime later.
When are we taking off? Why are we just sitting here?
It hasn't even been 1 minute yet, and you're already asking. Geez, I swear people these days are so impatient.
Legends say he's still wondering why. Let's move on to the next one. The one who doesn't turn on airplane mode is... well, a person who doesn't turn on airplane mode.
Attention passengers. We are requiring everybody to turn on airplane mode during your flight. It's the airline's policy, so don't even ask why.
Ugh. I have to turn on airplane mode. Honestly, what's even the point?
A few minutes later.
I'm gonna go to the bathroom real quick, be right back. What is that? What's happening?
Wait. Someone didn't turn on airplane mode. and this messed up the plane's controls a bit.
Alright, who's the idiot who didn't turn on airplane mode?
Oh.
That took a turn for the worst. Okay, and the last one is... Oh gosh? The Karen is a person who sometimes harass other people, complain about many things, and always get into everyone's way.
Hey! Get out of my seat.
Huh?
You heard me. Get out of my seat.
Sorry ma'am. But this is my seat? I'm positive that I paid for a window seat. Perhaps you got the wrong aisle?
No. It's not. I paid for that seat. I paid to sit near the window. And you are going to get up and let me sit there. Now.
Lady, I am telling you, this is my seat. Not yours. You must have the wrong aisle. Why not choose the other window seats? But this?
Because all of the other window seats are full. And I spent my hard-earned money for that one.
There's literally an empty window seat right there.
Apparently you must be blind, because that one's already taken.
Just please leave. Because this ain't your seat.
You know what? I am tired of you. I need a manager. Where is the manager? Tell me now.
Yep, pretty sure we've all been there. Anyways, this is the end of the video.
And again, thank you for tuning in.
These are the androids.
Signing off.
What even was that?
See? I am questioning the same thing.